I am Sarthak Khandelwal and my project name is Hack EV. So first let's look at the problem statement. So we know that the electric vehicle industry is currently very highly unorganized, and in the future we know that the traditional fuel stations will be replaced by the EV charging stations. Now in usual fuel stations we hardly need 2 to 5 minutes to fuel up our vehicles, but in the case of electric vehicles the scenario will be completely different. On an average, an EV needs approximately 2 to 3 hours to charge fully. That is a lot of a time. This creates long queues at the stations for charging vehicles, and people will have to wait for hours just for charging their vehicles. People waste a lot of time in charging their vehicles. People having spare chargers at their house are not able to get any extra benefits from it. This is a picture taken from a famous US blog. You can see that there is a long queue at the Tesla superchargers station, which clearly shows the problem statement that yes, this is a huge problem that electric charging infrastructure is not yet developed, and people have to wait a lot at charging stations, and therefore they waste a lot of time in charging their vehicles. So I have come with a solution for these problems. I will be creating a blockchain based website that enables EV charger owners to rent out their chargers for the use of the general public. The owner of the charger will have to specify the charger type as well as the cost per kilowatt hour which he will be charging for that charger. So in this way the electric charger owner will also get benefited out of it, and it will also contribute to the charging infrastructure which is not really developed yet. So it is a win-win situation for both the charger owner as well as the public. And our website will also show the nearest charging stations along with the number of spare ports, like how many ports are currently not in use, and the number of vehicles in the queue at that particular charging station. It will be so amazing if we already know that this charging station has less number of vehicles in queue and that has more, so I'll go to the lesser ones. It will be amazing. And also our website also enables user to pre-book a charging port at a particular charging station for a fixed duration of time at a convenient time of the day. So suppose if you tomorrow you are free at 5 p.m, you can go to the charging station, you can pre-book a charging port at that charging station from your home itself, and tomorrow you can go at 5 p.m and you will get a free port at that time. It's so amazing. So, and one more thing, one more feature, now people will be able to buy Prime membership and get priority charging, same as they get priority check-in at airports. So you know that people who take the Prime membership get priority check-in, they have separate check-in counters at the airport. Accessibility, EV chargers will become more accessible to people. Utilization, all EV chargers in an area would be fully utilized, and minimizing cost, of course it will be helping in minimizing the infrastructure cost of the electric charging stations, and also the financial viability. It improves viability of private sector participation in charging operations. And now let's talk about the impact it will create. The co-charging ecosystem will help in meeting the increasing demand for chargers, and the charger owners will also get monetary benefits out of it. So it will be so amazing if you have a charger at your home, and whenever you are not using it, another person can use it, and you will get a monetary benefit out of it. And also you can book a slot in advance from our website for all charging stations and can pay online through our integrated payment gateway. It will be so awesome if you can book a charging port at a particular charging station from the comfort of your home. Just through some clicks you will be able to book a charging port at a charging station. People can now search the nearest charging stations and can see the number of spare charging ports available at that time, and also the number of vehicles in queue. From the comfort of your home you can see that how many charging ports are available currently at a particular charging station, and how many number of vehicles are in queue at that particular charging station. So if you see that there are 3 to 4 charging stations in your area, so you can easily select which one has lesser number of vehicles in queue and more number of spare ports. So you can easily go there, track it from your home at the comfort from your home. So this will save a lot of your precious time and energy. and also you can get priority charging at every charging station through our Prime membership. It will be so amazing if you can buy the Prime membership thing, and you will get separate ports at every charging station. Easily you can save a lot of time through it and can get separate ports for your charging, for charging your vehicle. So this is the product that I have built. Thank you.